Looking for the right temperature gauge but confused between bimetallic gas filled or mercury based temperature gauges. And don't worry. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Raj from Radical Descartes, your process automation strategist. In this video, I break down the differences, pros and cons, and help you to choose the best temperature gauge for your application. So let's get started. First, let's start with what is temperature gauge. A temperature gauge is a mechanical device that measures and displays temperature, typically used in industrial, HVAC, and automotive applications. Now, let's check where they are mostly used. Industrial machinery, boilers and furnaces, HVAC system, and food processing plants. These are the main applications. Now, let's cover types of the temperature gauges. There are basically three types: bimetallic, gas-filled, and mercury-based temperature gauges. First, let's start with bimetallic temperature gauge. It uses two different metal strips that expand at different rates with the temperature. And it is simple, yet cost-effective and widely used. And for mechanical, no external power supply is needed. It is best for HVAC systems, low pressure industrial applications, and outdoor and weather monitoring system. Now let's take one example of this bimetallic temperature gauge. A bimetallic temperature gauge in a boiler system shows a real-time temperature on dial. Now let's cover some of their limitations. It is not suitable for extreme temperatures, slower response time compared to the other type. Now let's go through gas-filled temperature gauges. Their main characteristics are: it is filled with gas that expands and moves the pointer. It also can measure temperature from distance using capillary tubing, and accurate and reliable for industrial use. It is best for distance temperature measurement. Example you can take is remote sensors. It is also used in high temperature applications like furnaces, and is also used in food and beverage industry. Now let's take one example of gas-filled temperature gauge. Gas-filled temperature gauge is installed in a distillation column to monitor process temperature remotely. Their main limitations are: cost is higher than bimetallic temperature gauge and can be affected by environmental conditions. Now let's cover Mercury-in-Glass temperature gauge. It uses liquid mercury that expands and rises with the temperature. It is highly accurate and reliable for critical application, often used in scientific labs and high precision industries. It is also best for scientific and research application, also for medical and pharmaceutical industries and extreme temperature monitoring. Now let's cover one example of this. A laboratory uses a mercury-in-glass thermometer for precise temperature reading in chemical experiments. Their main limitations are: toxic if it is broken, restricted in many countries due to environmental concerns. Now, let's see quick comparison between all three temperature gauges. You can see their comparison on the table right now. If you need a simple, affordable solution, go for the bimetallic. And if you need a remote or high temperature monitoring, then choose a gas field. And if you need a precision in labs, then use mercury-based temperature gauge. Now, let's cover how to choose the right one. First, check your application type, like industrial, HVAC, or lab use. Second, you need to consider is your budget. Bimetallic is cheaper versus glass-filled and mercury. Third point is that you need to consider is environmental concern. Mercury is restricted in some countries. And fourth point is accuracy requirements. If you need a precision, then go for gas-filled or mercury is better. To sum up all, for budget-friendly and durable solutions, choose bimetallic. For industrial and remote monitoring, go for gas-filled. And if you want ultra-high accuracy, then you need to go for mercury-in-glass type temperature gauge. Now, let me tell in comment section which one do you use the most in your industry. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video.